Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the audio out of the video, open YouTube Studio, download the video file, or use a trusted downloader. Once you have the file, import it into Audacity or DaVinci Resolve. This gives you direct access to the soundtrack. Make sure to work with WAV or 320 kbps MP3 to avoid quality loss. After importing, listen through and mark the sections you want to change. These first actions let you edit precisely and avoid rework later. Once done with prep, mute the original track and bring in your replacement audio, whether it's a voiceover, music, or clean dialogue. Make sure to align waveforms to visible peaks, use markers and zoom in so lips and beats match. Then apply noise reduction and an EQ curve to make the new audio sit naturally, normalize levels, and use gentle compression if needed. These middle steps ensure sync and tonal consistency so viewers won't notice the change. To finish, export the video using the highest audio bitrate your platform supports. Choose AAC 320 kbps or WAV if possible, and remux with the original video track. Once exported, play the full-length file in 2 different players to confirm sync and check for pops or level jumps. If you see drift, return to the editor and use small time stretch adjustments or shift audio by frames to correct it. If problems persist, re-import a clean copy and repeat alignment. That usually fixes persistent sync issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.